Emma inherited a peculiar portrait of her great-grandmother, rumored to have brought misfortune to the family. Intrigued by its eerie beauty, she hung it in her living room. That night, whispers echoed through the halls, growing louder as she drifted to sleep. Shadows danced in the corners, and a chill seeped into her bones. Each day, strange occurrences multiplied. Mirrors cracked, pets vanished, and her dreams turned into nightmares. Desperation clawed at her sanity. One evening, she discovered a hidden note behind the painting, detailing a sinister pact. As she read the last line, the portrait's eyes glimmered, and Emma felt an overwhelming pull. She was never seen again, but the portrait remained, its gaze forever haunting the house.